welcome in our place, Puerto Princesa City, Palawan. Puerto Princesa City is, we call it the city in the forest. Why? Because all around you can see trees everywhere. Yeah. No cutting wood. Because no fishing, breeding place are the fish only. Okay, left side. This is very unique and very old mangrove trees. In other country of Philippines, this is the only area that we can see them now. They are preserved for the incoming generation to generation. So this is a protected area. The height of other trees 21 meters above, and the age of them, we call them century trees. 1 century equivalent 100 years. Untouchable nature. All trees in the disco and it was rock. Nalasing. Nagmaritis kapitbahay. Dito diba? You wanna hear my song? The problem is Filipino version only.
That's fine.
Yeah. The title is Tamiloka woodworm, edible woodworm, aphrodisiac. Halinaw hirang tabarangay kabayugan, ating masilayan sa ibang bakawan. Tayo ay mamangka sa tungong bakawan at kasama natin kaibigan at mahal. Bakaway paramihin, tayo ay magtanim sa itlogang isda, una ng pagkain. Huwag itong putulin, bagkus ay makalis. Isda't alimango ay dito nang galing. Kamilot na masarap, oy! Dito na mailap, oy! Talabang malasa at lukan na biyak. Ating pagyamanin, yamang dagat natin, tulong sa mahirap, sa bakawan galing. Kamilok the resources, hey! Lobsters now are the best, hey! Oysters are delicious, all of them nutritious. We must love and caring all aqua living things too. Support the livelihood and the source are mangroves. Thank you, my friend. You are always welcome in mangrove again. Next year you will be come back again. We are waiting for you all the time. Maraming salamat kaibigan. Kayo ay laging welcome sa Bakawan. Susunod na taon babalik naman.